Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas as we are heading into a new trading week. Not too much happened since the last update. So obviously I updated Friday, late Friday. So just wanted to check in how the week started. Prices up a little bit, but let's be honest, the current move to the upside that we see doesn't seem sustainable, or at least it is too weak here to talk really about a trend change or anything. We've just seen a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour chart, which was here on Thursday. Then a little bit of a move to the upside, just a retracement. We just measure the retracement here, reached the golden ratio, and that's the typical retracement target, and it was rejected again. So for me at the moment, this still suggests a continuation to the downside as per this particular wave count, which suggests that a wave 4 peaked here on the 3rd of March. We then moved down in a wave 1. This here is a wave 2 to the upside in an A, B, C structure, where the A wave was a leading diagonal, the B wave just a corrective structure, and the C wave a 5-wave move. We're now heading down in a 3rd wave with a wave 1 already done, a wave 2 pullback done, and probably the 3rd of a 3rd wave now in the making. Now it's not following through as impulsively as I would like it to be, but the possibility certainly exists that the move down, because it is a 5th wave, is unfolding as an ending diagonal. In such a situation, Fibonacci extension targets to the downside are not so relevant, but what you need to understand is that there are now a few targets for the bears, to really break through. Now, let me just tell you that a bullish scenario, or at least short-term bullish scenario, is still possible. I've actually put that Fibonacci retracement zone onto the chart. And I did tell you in previous videos that a break above 260 would make me consider that we are heading higher short-term. So this is the clear pivot for me to say, okay, we're moving a bit higher versus, okay, we're following the current count to the downside. If we push a little bit higher, the wave 4, in my opinion, would sit here. And the move of the February low was just an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave in the wave 4. Problem is just that this structure here was simply a 3-wave move to the upside. So I'm not happy to consider that an impulse or the beginning of an impulse. It would need to be a 1-2-1-2 setup. There's several issues with that count. I explained that in the previous video. So yes, I mean, follow through to the upside is always possible, but I would want to see a break above 260 to confirm that. At the moment, we are heading down, and there are a few levels to watch out for that the bears need to take out in order to show us that the bearish count is in control. So, for example, one very important level is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level of the move to the upside between the 4th of May and the 19th of May. Now, we broke the level already, but only very, very briefly. Now, this means that as soon as we break below 214, this would emphasize much more the count, which is already here on the screen, the bearish count. At the moment, it is theoretically possible that we did get here something like a 1-2-1-2 setup. I've seen in the comments that there seem to be a few people or analysts who propose that count. Now, of course, it can work. Got a bit of a problem with that. I did explain it in the previous videos. This to me here as a leading diagonal already questionable. In a wave 1, yeah, this would be a wave 2 that's still acceptable, but then this was also a 1-2 setup. It would really literally need to turn around now. And the wave 1 is not a crystal clear 5-wave impulse, okay? So this one here, the 3rd wave is a little bit too short. It's not ideal. It's not ideal. So from that point of view, also because this wave 1 was a bit too long in length, I'm rather focused here on this, calling this an ABC structure. And to be honest, so far it's been correct, that decision. Now things can turn around at an instant, but then I would need to see the level of 260 break. As I said, if we break below that Thursday low now, I think this would send it down far lower, even below here the April low. Yeah, there is not much more to add, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.